How to add sound to Snapchat Spotlight post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you already have a video. After that, click on Add a Sound at the top. After you click on Add a Sound, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, you'll find different sounds available. Select the one you prefer. After you've selected the sound, you'll find this kind of screen. Simply drag the sound right or left from where you want to start, then press on the tick mark. After you have done that, click on Send to at the bottom. After resizing the sound, then click on Spotlight at the top. After that, click on the arrow at the bottom right again, and you're good to go. After it's uploaded, it will upload with the sound in your Spotlight. This is how to add sound to a Snapchat Spotlight post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.